Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to set up Google Ads Search Campaign 2023. And it is for beginners. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So first, go to your Google and search for ads.google.com. And here, to help you get started with Google Ads, we'll give you 20,000 pesos in free ad credit when you spend 20,000 pesos. Grow your business with Google Ads. Get in front of customers when they are searching for businesses like yours on Google Search and Maps. Only pay for results, like clicks to your website or calls to your business. Show up when people search for what you offer. Google is where people search for what to do, where to go, and what to buy. Your ad can appear on Google at the very moment someone is looking for products or services like yours, whether they are on desktops or mobile. A well-timed ad can turn people into valuable customers. Get the results that matter to you, like for example, drive website visits. Grow online sales, bookings, or mailing list sign-ups with online ads that direct people to your website. Get more phone calls. Increase customer calls with ads that feature your phone number and a click to call button. Increase store visits. Get more customers in the door with business ads that help people find your company on the map. You can also set a budget that works for your business. Google Ads give you control over your advertising budget. Set a monthly budget cap and never go over it. Plus, you can pause or adjust your spend anytime. Like this monthly budget cap here, and you can adjust it anytime. And it is best to partner with Google to find the right customers. With our smart, easy ads, you can reach more relevant customers within your budget. Plus, we'll help you improve your ads over time to get more of the results that matter to your business. Now, let's get more customers on Google Ads. And to do that, click on Get Started. Let's get started. What is your business name? You can write your business name here, like for example, Yeye Bunel. This helps us show your ad when people search for you by name. Yeye Bunel Shop. Then click on Next. Where should people go after clicking your ad? Consider what you are advertising and enter the most relevant page of your website. This might be your homepage or a more specific page. So let's now put our website. yeye35.wordpress.com. You can make your website at wordpress.com. Now click on Next. Google Ads will scan your website before it proceeds. Learning about your business. And thanks! People come here after they click your ad. This is the homepage of your website. After that, what's your main advertising goal? Get more calls, get more website sales or leads, get more visits to your physical location, or get more views and engagement on YouTube. Let's try to click the last one. Let's create your video ad. What do you want to focus on? Drive video views and traffic to your website, or drive video views and engagement with your channel. And if you choose the latter one, you have to search for your video or paste its URL. Now, let's try to go to YouTube and paste the link here. And now we have the video here. How do you want your ad to appear? You can select one out of these four. You can see the details here. Enter a headline. Enter a description, like river flows in you. Then, you also have to enter description line number 2. Let's write easy tutorial. You can click on preview your ad or just click on next. Next is choose the locations and languages of your customers. Where are your customers located? You can add locations here, and what languages do your customers speak? You can also add languages. Let's try to add Filipino. And there you have English and Filipino as your language. Your ads can show to people in or who share interest in your locations and to people who speak the languages you select. You can now click on Next. Select the gender, age, and parental status of your customers. You can select the gender, female, male, or unknown. Age, 18 to 24, 35 to 44, 55 to 64, or unknown, or you can select all of that. Lastly, parental status not a parent, unknown, or a parent. You can also select all of that. Your ads can show to a specific set of potential customers who are likely to be within a particular age, range, or parental status. After that, you can now click on Next. Now, tell us if you want to reach people with specific interest. You can search for interest here, like for example, easy piano songs, piano lessons, piano and keyboard. You can narrow your targeting to show ads to people with the specific interest you select. Then, you can now click on Next. Almost done. Set a budget that's right for you. How much you want to spend? You can enter a daily budget here. Like for example, 360 a day, but let's try to put on 100 pesos a day. How long will your ads run? Run continuously or select an end date. Now, how does it work? Pay only when someone chooses to watch your video ad by clicking the thumbnail. Some days, you might spend less than an average of your daily budget. And on others, you might spend more. But over a month, you won't be charged more than 30.4 times your daily budget. And lastly, you can review your campaign to be sure it's how you want it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.